Sexy. You ready? You ready?
Realme One by Oppo is the real deal. By launching Realme smartphones in India, Oppo has made it clear that nobody should compromise between price and quality when buying a smartphone. I've been using this smartphone for a while and I think you can't find anything better at this price. Yes, it does resemble the Oppo's flagship device, the F7, and that's exactly what I meant when I said the smartphone buyers don't have to decide or compromise between quality and price. You're getting a flagship-like device at a fraction of a price. In the box, you get the Realme One smartphone, soft plastic case, USB cable, charger, SIM ejector pin, and the usual documentation. Apart from the sexy back, the first thing you notice about the Realme One is that how lightweight yet solid it feels. The phone comes with powerful Helio P60 AI CPU and 6GB of RAM, making it the most powerful budget-friendly smartphone at only Rs 13,990. Helio P60 combined with artificial intelligence smoothly runs multiple apps in the background and can also handle graphic-intensive games. The 3410 mAh battery lasts a full day thanks to AI CPU but lacks USB Type-C and quick charging. Realme One comes with 6 inches Full HD display and an 18:9 aspect ratio. It is an impressive screen with sleek bezels on top and sides. Realme One comes with ColorOS version 5 based on latest Android 8.1. There are a number of handy features in the user interface such as gestures to take screenshots, change look and feel using Theme Store, copy or transfer all data from old one using Clone app, and much more. I have to say that the ColorOS, the proprietary UI overlay by Oppo, has become much more refined and works like a charm. You can see for yourself the amount of bloatware apps are reduced to the ones that are actually nifty and improve the performance of the device. Realme One features a 8 megapixel front camera with AI beautification, AI stickers, vivid, HDR and bokeh features. The camera takes really good photos with fine details and good colors. For beautification, you can choose the beauty level manually or let AI do its job. Oppo has been known for its AI beautification and the legacy carries on this device too. The portrait mode also does a good job with edge detection as long as there is enough light. Realme uses the front camera for face unlock as there is no fingerprint sensor, so it's pretty much the only smart and fastest way to unlock the device. The primary camera setup is 13 megapixel with AI powered bokeh and vivid mode. This gives Realme One advantage over the competition as no other 6GB 128GB device uses AI for selfies or primary camera. Photo taken with the Redmi One captures good details, natural color and edge detection is good. With the Realme, Oppo has entered the e-commerce market with a bang. They promise a more stylish design, more stunning specs, superb quality, most satisfied service and lastly, most surprising price can be a game changer for the online market. Starting at Rs 8,990 only for the 3GB 32GB RAM variant, the Realme One is a great buy and we totally recommend it as you can't find a better balanced phone with sexy looks and superb performance. So that was our review of the Realme One powered by Oppo that launched in India today. It will be available online exclusively on Amazon starting 25th of May with launch offers. So if you enjoyed watching the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and leave your valuable comments below.